OMG, pagod ako. I cooked the whole day. And now I am eating. I cook fried chicken, my God. I didn't know I cook really good. Ang gagami. Ang dami chicken. Ano yan? Ayan yan sa ano, menu. Ate, bili ka, kumain tayo. School, the whole day tayo nagluto. I'm so tired. I'm so really tired. Oh, see, I'm sweating. OMG. Anyway. Para akong asmahin na naman. Oh my gosh. When I get so tired, my asthma attacks. Shucks. This is for real. I can't believe this. My Chinese noodle is really good. Oh my God. Oh. Ate B, wala ka sabay kumain, sabayan mo. Oh. Boring, my God, itong aswang na to. Aswang talaga kahit kailan. Penging Coke. Bawal sa diabetes, please. Give me some energy. Pagod ako. Pagod talaga ako. Ate Bella, mamaya ka na mag-lift. What do you want? Ayan, no? As much as you want. Ang sarap.
Yeah. Who cooked this?
Tata Irish, me, and Ate B.
It's actually yummy.
Of course, tatlong utak ang gumana dyan. Anyhow, kain muna ako. Kain muna ako energy drink ko, which is Coke. Okay. Love you guys. Ciao. Bye.